This video will discuss the various types of drawer boxes available in Cabinet Pro and Door Pro. For purposes of visibility, we have eliminated all parts from this cabinet except the drawer box. This will allow our views of the drawer box not to be obstructed by other cabinet parts. In addition, bottom in red has been purposely dropped slightly below the drawer box so that we can see it more clearly as we discuss the various drawer box styles. If we click the field under drawer box style several times, we will toggle through the different styles of drawer boxes, with the most common being the standard rectangular drawer box. For standard drawer boxes, we can modify the depth of the drawer box per drawer, and we can also modify the height of the drawer box per drawer. However, these two fields change in meaning when we make a horseshoe drawer box, which we will see in the next example. If we click this field once, our standard drawer box will be replaced by a horseshoe drawer box with one continuous division and one bottom. Here we have one continuous section as our drawer box with one continuous bottom. The width of the space in the middle of the horseshoe is defined per drawer, which in this example is 21 inches. This field has changed its meaning when making a horseshoe drawer box and no longer controls the height of the drawer box. In like manner, the inner depth of the space in the middle is defined per drawer, which in this example is 15 inches. This field has also changed its meaning when making a horseshoe drawer box and no longer controls the depth of the drawer box. All of these fields are drawer specific, so if we have a drawer bank under a sink, we can make the first drawer with a middle opening big enough to clear the sink, while the next couple of drawers have smaller openings for the pipes, and the bottom drawers are rectangular standard drawers. You can see that our horseshoe openings are controlled here per drawer, while the drawer box style per drawer is defined as well. Getting back to our drawer box example and clicking our drawer box style again displays a horseshoe drawer box with 3 divisions and 3 bottoms after pressing the apply button, where we now have not one but 3 separate sections along with 3 separate bottoms, one for each section. Clicking our drawer box style field again and then hitting apply constructs a horseshoe drawer box with 3 divisions but 1 bottom that covers all 3 separate divisions. And for all horseshoe drawer boxes, if we want to offset our drawer box from the center, we enter a positive or negative number here at the drawer box parameter screen to move the center of the drawer box either left or right. Here we move the center to the right by entering positive 3 inches. Entering a negative number would move the center to the left. The drawer box parameters, which are unique for each drawer guide, allow us to control how each part interacts with another. Before we look at them, let's define our parts as they are referenced in the drawer box setup. The 2 end pieces are referred to as drawer sides. The 2 inside pieces shown here are referred to as inner drawer sides. The front piece is the front drawer end, while the 2 ends in the back are called rear drawer ends. Finally, the inside end is referred to as the inner end. Please note that each of these drawer box parts can be of a different height from each other. In addition, their heights can be reduced from both the top and or the bottom of each part. And the points of each intersection can have different insets into each other. Both the heights of these parts and their insets into each other are controlled per drawer guide at the drawer box parameter screen. If the drawers and drawer pulls category is highlighted, then you can transfer directly to the drawer box parameters for your current drawer guide that define how the drawer box is to be constructed. Among these parameters, you will see all of the parameters having to do with the horseshoe style grouped together. These parameters control the heights of each of the drawer parts, all of which can be different. These parameters control the insets or overlap of each part of the drawer box into another. And of course, each of these insets can be different. In setting up your various styles of drawer boxes, make sure you read each parameter and its description. Each parameter's description is displayed when its parameter is highlighted, as is shown here. When you make a change on the drawer box parameter screen, your changes will take effect immediately upon exiting the screen and returning to the cabinet editor. Let's finish up by taking one last view of our drawer bank designed to be under a sink. Remember, these are the drawer boxes only, with the other cabinet parts removed for easy viewing.